people were married in Murwillumbah today, in what must rate as one of the more unusual weddings of the year. The brides and their grooms are members of the Hare Krishna faith. The devotees must have known each other at least a year before they can get married.
A wedding, and there isn't a hint of white lace or long veils here. These people are getting married under the laws of the Hare Krishna religion, a religion that's 5,000 years old. The Hare Krishna's highest priest, Vishnu Tar, conducted the ceremony today and was very keen to explain the 2-hour ceremony to the locals who had been invited. Under Krishna law, even though these people are married, they are not allowed to take part in sex for the sake of sex. Sex is only allowed among married couples if they wish to have children. The couples have also been married in the eyes of the law. Many of the ministers at the ceremony are also JPs, so the marriage is traditionally recognised. And under Hare Krishna law, once these young people are married, there is no going back. The religion has no divorce proceedings at all. Janet Wilson, National 9 News.